we will look into the specific applications where blockchain technology can be used. So what are the potential uses of this technology? So if we see, it can be used in healthcare. For example, health records. We go to different hospitals for different diseases or problems that we get, but we cannot have all the records on a single platform. So, but if we use blockchain technology, we can have our health records in different hospitals in the form of a distributed ledger or a distributed account. So in that place, blockchain technology can be used in the maintenance of healthcare records. Next comes education. For example, we get degrees from colleges and universities, but we see frequently that there is problem of fake degrees or fake certificates that will be issued. How can we ensure that there is no such problem? So if there is an account or if there is proof of a particular college giving out certain certificate over a distributed ledger, that is, if a college has given a certificate or a degree, it is registered in different places instead of a single server with the college, it will ensure that the problem of fake degrees or fake certificates can be reduced. That is one place where blockchain technology can be used in education as well. In agriculture, we can use blockchain technology for registering fertilizer subsidies to prevent fraud. And then even in electricity distribution, we see that there is problem of leakage or losses when it comes to electricity. We see the DISCOMs are in stress. One of the reasons why the DISCOMs, electricity distribution companies, are stressed is because there are losses. There is theft of electricity. So if we can use blockchain technology to prevent such theft of electricity, it will help ease the stress on DISCOMs. And then land records. Land records, there is frequently disputes of the ownership of lands. But if we can store land records using blockchain technology, it will reduce the chances of such litigations. Then comes blockchain powered smart contracts. Executing contracts will improve our ease of doing business. So if we can use blockchain technology in making smart contracts, we can reduce litigation in such cases. Then comes artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. Internet of Things is picking up fast and blockchain technology has even applications in it. Then India's banks could help avert frauds. We see that there are a lot of frauds happening in the banking system because the data is stored in a single server. So if we can manipulate the data in this server, it can lead to fraud. But if we use blockchain technology, the record of transaction will not be stored in a single server, but it will be stored in multiple places. So it will become difficult to manipulate such data, and this will help in reducing fraud in the banking system. Then comes logistics. So if we see what is logistics, for example, there is a company producing certain drugs, that is pharmaceuticals. It will be sent to warehouse, then to a retailer, then to the customer. So this is a logistics chain. But what if the pharmaceuticals or the medicines that are being sent by the company are being tampered in the warehouse? This will lead to sale of spurious medicines or fake medicines. So to prevent this, all the transactions that are being made in this logistics chain can be stored using blockchain technology. So not only medicines or pharmaceuticals, any other logistics supply chain can have blockchain technology in it. So this will help in solidifying the logistics supply chain as well as reducing the sale of spurious items.